Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you one of our custom EPS packaging mold sampling services. The customer required a tailor-made EPS foam packaging solution for their proprietary water purifier filters. The design features a layer-by-layer structure, with one filter per layer protected by EPS foam, allowing a total of 3 to 4 layers of filters to be packed together inside a carton. This packaging ensures the product remains undamaged during a 1.5-meter drop test. Due to confidentiality, the customer provided only the plastic housing sample and the internal dimensions of the carton. Based on this information, we will design a dedicated EPS packaging structure and mold solution. What is shown here is the initial EPS packaging foam sample produced using CNC machining, intended for structural and dimensional verification by the customer. Once the sample is confirmed and approved, we will proceed with the detailed 3D design and then move forward with the production of the final EPS packaging mold. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone.